I kind of like camber. Like it definitely locks you in better. Can we jump in with y'all? Sweet, thank you. Yeah, I like this jacket, but with the overalls, it makes it look so fat. Like, I like the way that board looks with all the stickers.
With all the stickers?
Yeah.
Yeah, because once you're in the sun, like you can't really see the design.
No, the design's stupid. It was cool on the photo that I when I bought it online, and then I got it. I was like, it's just a black board.
Look at that sticky bullet.
I haven't been up here when it looked like this since college.
Snow feels so good.
I know. Well, I mean, we did get some nice, a little nice dusting last night. I think they got a few inches. Not a bad view. You'll see tunnels eventually. When you see the tunnels, try and start going fast because it gets slow on a board, but otherwise.
Pretty sick, right? Yeah.
Oh, there's a jump!
That was awesome.
Yeah. Can we ride with you? Sure. Sweet.
I guess just one.
Oh, okay. We'll keep you company.
Alright.
We did it. We fit. Y'all want to put this up?
I feel like we're pre-recording stuff.
Yeah, we'll go right there. Do that one.
Under 20 degrees on a Tesla.
All right. I'm ready if you are. Yeah, that was sick. And we'll just literally just go right and just come right here.
Just go back off the trailer.
Yeah, just jump off right here.
Yeah, the first half was good. In the second half, it was like wide.
Oh, we found it! Let's go!
To be nice to us again after we took her to the vet.
Dude.